Okay. Now I'm going to hand my participants PowerPoint presentation, and then I'm giving them their note cards on which I want them to write down information about facilitator and teacher. Okay. Here's your pen. You got a pen? That's a highlighter. Oh, it's a pen on the other side. Okay. All right. So on the first side of the card, write down phrases or words that you think describe a teacher. And I'll give you a few minutes to do that. Write down like their role, what they do specifically in, I guess, a classroom environment. You can write down some descriptive words of what a teacher, specifically you remember what they did, how they interacted with you in the classroom environment. And it doesn't even have to be in the classroom environment. You can use a teacher in an outside environment. You can use those descriptive words as well. Okay? All right. Adrian, what are some of the words or phrases that you use to describe what a teacher is?
Compassionate, encouraging, counselor, teach, and well-rounded educationally.
Okay, good. Tisha?
I said a teacher was an instructor, an educator, and a person who influences higher learning.
Good. Okay. All right. Now if y'all flip the cards over, and on the other side, write down words or phrases that describe what a facilitator might do, or a role, their roles, the roles that they play in any kind of environment, classroom or whatever. Any kind of descriptive words or phrases to describe a facilitator.
Okay, I said a facilitator guides a discussion, encourages participation, and motivates.
Good. Okay.
Couldn't quite think of facilitator besides the fact they facilitate. And so I just discussed, well, I wrote that they speak over a general topic or work one single dimensionally with just like one topic. They don't really do like what teachers do, like a whole well-rounded.
Okay. All right. Good. So I did a little research, and in my research, some of the questions that came up are teachers and facilitators the same? If they really are, if they're different, how they are different. Can a teacher be a facilitator? Let's answer that. Can a teacher be a facilitator? Do y'all think a teacher can be a facilitator?
Yes.
How?
By doing like panel discussions.
Okay. What at what level do you think, grade wise, do you think a teacher can become a facilitator? Do you think it's possible in like elementary level, or do you think they need structured guidance throughout that level?
I think it might start as early as like middle school ages, because with the way standardized testing is going, you're trying to get kids to think more on a critical thinking, analytical thinking level and base it. And so that's when a teacher may need to start stepping back and always guiding or giving an opinion or education, but at that point going more towards facilitating and help students figure out what they think, and then basing it on whatever facts that text or research may provide them.
Okay. Did you have anything, Keisha?
No, I agree with what she said.
Okay. All right. So, teaching or to teach is to impart knowledge or skill to someone by instruction or example, or to give lessons in the subject. In contrast, learning or to learn is coming to know something, to acquire knowledge, or to find something out. Therefore, a teacher is a person who imparts knowledge or skill through instruction or example, while a learning facilitator is one who creates an environment in which someone can come to know something, acquire knowledge, or to gain information. I'm going to give y'all a PowerPoint slide. We're going to go through different slides and talk about them. Part 2.